In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable double-click to install on iPhone App Store. This quick setting lets you confirm app downloads by pressing the side button twice, which pairs with Face ID for a fast and secure checkout experience. If you've been seeing an on-screen confirmation instead of the double-click to install prompt, you likely have an accessibility feature enabled that changes how confirmations work. Let's switch it back to the side button. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap Accessibility. This is where Apple groups features that adjust how you interact with your device, including touch and button behavior. Next, tap Touch. At the top of this screen, you'll see Assistive Touch. Go ahead and tap that. Assistive Touch adds a floating on-screen button that can replace some physical button actions. It's helpful for many users, but when it's on, it can override the standard side button confirmation. To bring back the double-click behavior, turn Assistive Touch off completely. If you see an option labeled Confirm with Assistive Touch farther down the page, make sure that's off as well. When Assistive Touch is disabled, your iPhone returns to using the side button for secure confirmations. Once that's turned off, you don't need to change anything else. The system will automatically allow double-clicking the side button for App Store installations again. This ties into Face ID, so when you double-click, your iPhone will look for your face to confirm the action. If Face ID doesn't scan in time, you can still proceed by entering your device passcode. Now let's test it. Open the App Store and find any free app. Tap Get. When the confirmation sheet appears, look for the double-click to install prompt near the top of your screen. Quickly press the side button twice in a row. The side button is the one on the right edge of your iPhone, not the volume buttons on the left. Hold the phone so Face ID can see you and you should see the app begin downloading right away. If you don't see the prompt, make sure Assistive Touch remains off, then try again. That's it. You've successfully enabled double-click to install on your iPhone. This small change speeds up downloads and adds a layer of security by confirming purchases with Face ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more App Store tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy faster, more secure app installs.